Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in a couple days, but I've decided that I'm going to start posting every Friday, so be on the lookout for a new video on Fridays. In this video, we're going to be making apple crumble, but in a mug. I think I'm going to start a mug series where I start making mug cakes or mug cookies or anything that's quick and easy that can be made in the microwave, because a lot of people tend to like that stuff and it's just easier to make. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys think that's a good idea, and if so, what recipes you guys would like to see. Okay, enough said, let's get on to the recipe now. In a small mixing bowl, add 4 tablespoons of rolled oats. To the oats, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and a pinch of salt. Add a couple dashes of cinnamon or a half teaspoon. Give it a quick little mix. In the mug that you're going to use for this mug cake, put 3 tablespoons of butter in it and melt it. Pour that butter into the rolled oats mixture. Now give it another mix and make sure that the butter has been incorporated into the oats. Slice and peel 1 apple and put it into the mug that had the butter in it. You can honestly use any type of apple for this recipe, but I would recommend that you taste the apple before so that you know how much sugar you need to put so that it's not overly sweet. Add a couple more dashes of cinnamon, which also is about 1/4 of a teaspoon. Add a half tablespoon of all-purpose flour and a half tablespoon of brown sugar. The amount of sugar you add is just based on the sweetness of your apples, so I would add a little bit less so that it's not too sweet. Mix it up until each apple has been coated evenly. Now top your apples with the crumble mixture by just spooning it on there. Microwave this for about 2 to 2.5 minutes. It honestly just is based on your own microwave. Just microwave it until it's bubbling at the top. Vanilla ice cream or whipped cream goes along very well with this recipe, but you can also just eat it plain, but I recommend waiting for it to cool for at least 2 minutes before you start eating it. I hope you guys like this recipe, and please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys would like to see next. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Also, I would really like your feedback on if the mug series should be something that I should do, so please let me know. See you guys in my next video, which will be posted next Friday. Bye!